Greetings everybody, Amar here, and this is just a really quick video going back to the 1. Now the 1 is now at 3 games, right? That is technically a hot skip, right? A trend reversal or a technical correction. Now what makes the 1 stronger now is that you had the 10 come in, right? The 10 repeated here after 11. Then it hit this skip of 7, it down skipped to 5, then 0, up skipped to 4, and now it's in a repeating position. Okay, so you had a repeat here and here, so you're hoping for the repeat in the flag. Alright, the 17 is also pretty strong. Okay, it's a 3-5 bottom. Unfortunately, it's on an upstroke. Okay, but it's still within that symmetry. Alright, and then the 30 is the hottest number right now, I think. Well, not hottest, but it's in the most obvious flag, right? It was 3, 4, 0, 6, 5, and now it's 1. Now the 1, I'm sorry, skip 1 has not hit in quite a while, so it's kind of due, alright? Although I don't like to chase skips in their exhaustion breaks. But since 30 is a top pair of the 1 as well, this is a possible opportunity to do, let's say, a 3 or even a 4 power number wheel, right? Where you would play the 1 with the 10, with the 17, with the 30 in every line, okay? And not a huge jackpot bust through wheel or something like that, but you could do, 10 numbers or 5, not 10 numbers. It would be 5, yeah, 10 numbers. You know, so you have the 4, and then additional 6. I don't know. Sorry, I'm doing the math in my head and it's not working well. But let's say you played only 3 lines. Okay, you'd have the 1, the 10, the 17, the 30. You could maybe throw in the 31, throw in the 16, which is a nice 2-2 bottom. Okay, or you throw in these other bottoms. All these little hearts here are perfect bottoms, more or less. Okay, so you have the number 3 here is at an 11-11 bottom. Okay, you have the 16 here is a 2-2 bottom. This number 20 is at a 4-0-4 bottom. Okay, and then you have the 34 over here, which is at a 12-10-12 bottom, or symmetry, of course. So that's just, a really quick rundown. So that's not that many numbers, but I would think that 1, 10, 17, 30 would have a good chance to possibly score 2 numbers, and then if you add one of these bottoms in as the third number, you could get an easy 3-number win. There are other bottoms, of course, like here. There's an 8-7 bottom, but these are the ones that stood out when I was looking on my other drawing sense hit chart, which is this one. Okay, so this one has more information. I even have, I started making these little green things here to signify adjacents. Okay, because that's one thing with these numbers that I selected here, there are no adjacents. And sometimes, generally, I like to put adjacents in every line that I play. Okay, so that's one weakness here. But here, I have like the adjacent for the number, this is the 13. Okay, now the 13 is a top pair of the 16. So that's interesting. And I always do like, or did like, to have the skips of 24 for my long shots. So you have like here, the 37 is at 24 games, and the 13 is at 24 games. So that's just a really, really quick rundown. I don't know what you guys are doing. This is a little last minute, of course. But anyway, good luck, and certainly keep a close eye on this 1. Okay, now if this 1 does hit, hopefully it'll hit something like 3-0 or 3-3. Okay, but there is the possibility that it'll start coming in the back door. Okay, meaning as a reverse, from reverse. Okay, where you could have the reverse flag, or even worst case scenario, you have it like come in 11-9, which is a bottom, but it starts coming in a reverse intermediate flag. So that's about it. I made it nice and short and sweet, so you guys could just listen and you guys won't fall asleep. So anyway, good luck, and talk to you guys soon.